I'd love to knock over a big casino. That'd be so great. I would love that. Walk out of there with my 10-gallon hat and 2 pistols, killing everything in sight. Damn good of you to pick me up, dude. Nice chopper.
Where you headed?
Anywhere.
Hop in.
Where are you from?
Staten Island.
Where's that?
One of the 5 boroughs. Brooklyn, Queens, Bronx, Manhattan. Staten Island.
You learned to shoot like that in Staten Island?
No, I was in the Army. You?
Mean what?
Were you ever in the military?
Hell no. I hate authority. Hello. Please open up the register.
I can't do that without a transaction.
This is your transaction. Now just do what you were told and open up the register. Open up the register.
It won't open unless I ring something up on it.
Well, ring me up then. Hurry up. And get me a corn dog while you're at it, would you? Jesus. $49.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I'm not ashamed of myself. I'm proud of myself.
Do you know this is the town where Hemingway shot himself?
Who's that?
Here you are, gentlemen. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Old Man in the Sea, right? Right?
Right.
How do you do it?
Shotgun.
That's messy. Hold up. I got a business proposition for you. Let me buy you a Bloody Mary. Let's talk about it. We are friends, aren't we?
What gives you that idea? Sorry, just not looking for a permanent passenger.
Are you leaving me high and dry here?
High and dry would have been me not picking you up in the first place.
This place is horrible.
Fair enough.
What's going on? What happened? Maybe you should buy a new bike. You've got a gun? I've got a gun. Check it out. Pretty nice, huh? Cash. That's what you need to make this happen. We can do that. Jingo fucking bingo, just like that. I want a partnership. Yin and yang. Point counterpoint. 2 heads are better than 1. Camaraderie. There is no love anymore. It's just pitiful. Sanders, you and I, we could be a great team. Fucking got this.
Other subject, southbound on Wall
I am not the right one. Get your hands off me. You're so done. You cannot steal from me. That's against the law. I'm not finished with you. You wish you were even born. I'm not the one you're looking for. Welcome to my world. Now open up the register. Get your fucking hands off me. I will fucking melt you. I'm still gonna fucking destroy you. You can't trust anybody these days. Fucking fascist. I was just going for a job. Unprecedented incompetence. God damn it. I'm not the one. Who's drinking? I guess you know why I'm here.
Are you a bowler?
Bowler? No, I'm not a bowler. Now fill up the sack.
You always carry your purse to the bathroom? Or did you think I was going to steal it?
What are you talking about? Nothing against you, bro, but you just can't trust people these days. Bartender, could I get a double tequila?